Hi guys, it's Sam here from Bargain Hunting Blonde, and today I have the second of 3 big Hermes unboxings. This is big bag unboxing number 1. So I believe before this unboxing comes out, there will have been a video that kind of explains a little bit more why I have these 3 separate unboxings, and they have taken place from May until now, which is the end of September. These purchases, and I have had to switch Hermes essays a couple times, and then one was European haul, because Europe just has so much of a better stock and totally different attitude towards things. But without further ado, let's get into my San Diego haul. So this was with my previous sales associate, Victoria, who has since left Hermes. She got me all of this that's in here, and one of the bags, so there is a bag in this. There's a bag actually in all 3 of the unboxings, but this bag you will have seen if you follow me on Instagram, like a long time ago, because I believe I showed you guys it in like early May. Without further ado, let's dive in. We have 2 receipts here, but this is my, this is my like full, what's everything else that's in the bag, and then this is just the receipt because this was actually sent to me because we had to order the size. So, do boxing, taking out the ribbon, which I never get retied. I have so much Hermes ribbon. I need to find a craft to do with it. So these are shoes that I had been wanting for a while, and then when I saw this colorway, I was like, yes, let's get it, let's do it. And then I was planning to wear them more in the summer. And if you guys follow me on Instagram or have seen my other videos, you know I am a little over 6 months pregnant now, and I did not feel good first trimester. So they did not get anywhere, but they are the beautiful Hermes Santorini sandal in the gold color with the light denim. I think they're so cute. They're 100% my summer style, and I'm excited to try the Santorini style because I actually love my Orons, and these are very similar, just you're not gonna get the thwacking sound because they do have this beautiful strap. So these run bigger to me than the Orons, and I did get these in a 41, and I normally get my Orons in a 41.5, though I will say I recently bought a different color Oron, and the 41 fit me. I don't know if when they kind of redid the bottom, because you know you'll see the older ones that always have the tan bottom and now they're like a solid color. I don't know if they redid that, they kind of fixed the sizing a bit, but now it seems I'm a pretty true 41 in Hermes shoes, which is great. So got these guys from San Diego, but like I said, I had to order. If any of you are a bigger size shoe girl, you'll know that most of the time you are not going to find that size in store. So that often is what I have to do. When I was in the San Diego store, I did get a bunch of fun little perfume samples, which are in here, which I never get in the San Francisco store, so not complaining. Then let's do all these little guys. Getting stuck with ribbon, so you guys will know what these are if you're an Hermes shopper. They are a bunch of little twillies, and I believe they are sets of 2. So let me see if I can find 1 and 1. So I don't have to open all of them. Okay, here's one of these guys. Probably should have done this earlier, but I forgot to. Okay, good. These are the same. Forgot to be on top of my game here with these twillies, because I put all my twillies normally in like one spot, and I've been having this all sit in this box. Excuse me, in this bag, so that I could make sure to show you guys everything that I got, because I forget. Oh yeah, okay. These guys are the same, and then they'll go in my twilly stash. Okay, yeah, they're the same. Okay, so let me show you then 2 of these guys. So I'll show you these 2, but like I said, I bought 2 of each for the handles. So first is this twilly, which I love the colors of, but I also love the whole Brides de Gala print, and I think it's really pretty. And so I got this colorway, which is, as you guys can see, a really beautiful dark blue. And what you're seeing on this twilly is parts of a bridle, which I am a horse. My family's horse people. I like horses. Little sister used to ride competitively, very excited to find this in person and be able to see it. I know a lot of these you can actually end up ordering online, but I prefer not to order online. So this is the Brides de Gala Twilly in the marine and beige. I'd assume that's because that's the majority of the colors. So I got 2 of these guys. And then I got in this box 2 to go with. So those were to go with my Barania Birkin for more of a winter look. And then I did get 2 of these guys for the bag that I have in this part of the haul. And actually they're really fun because they have a puppy on them and they kind of remind me of my puppy. Well, they have many puppies on them, but this is the Twilly. It's very bright. This came in a bunch of very bright colors, which I have a tendency to stray away from very bright Twillies, but it 100% goes with the bag. And I have kind of almost a mix of these 2 dogs. So I have a blue heeler mix. So she's kind of almost like this dog as well. She mainly looks like a blue heeler, but she's smaller, so I like to call her a mini blue heeler. And I kind of sometimes call her my faux Dalmatian because I've always wanted a Dalmatian, but I am very much into adopting puppies. And so I had a bunch of different puppies that I was looking for from different rescues or different shelters. And I have never actually seen a Dalmatian come through a shelter. And like, I was looking for a dog for probably like 6 months, almost a year. And so no Dalmatian. And then I also did somewhat want a puppy. I have adopted dogs of all ages, but sometimes when you get older dogs, they do have, you know, some quirks, and sometimes the quirks can be hard to make work. And for example, like one of my dogs in my childhood, who I loved immensely and was a great dog, extremely protective of us, great with us kids, was protective of us to the point of like if other people were coming over, she needed to be put just in another room because it just wasn't a good idea because she get very protective of us kids. And so sometimes I just don't want to deal with that with an older dog, especially having a baby coming. So yeah, got that cute little Twilly with a little bit of a story. And that was the En Liberte. I'm not going to be able to say this. I'll just hold it up. You see it? That's the tag from the Twilly. So it does go with the bag that's in here, but we're not at the bag yet. A couple more boxes. So these are things that I had been waiting for and they finally came in. This first one is a very much sought after, and now I'm very excited to open because I finally put it on my counter, which means you might know what it is. Piece, and it is a porcelain piece when I get it out of here. And these are super hard to come by, which is really annoying. It is this beautiful little porcelain. I think, let me see what I have the receipt, so let me see what they label this as. Wrong receipt. That was the Santorini sandals. This is considered the soy sauce dish. So I was open to a couple of the different dishes. I want to put my jewelry in here, and that is the Hermes crest that you see in there. These are very hard to get because I think a lot of people want them for things besides soy sauce, like myself. And I also think that they are well priced for Hermes, so people do like to purchase them. So this was $120, which is a lot, but also like in the world of Hermes, if you guys shop there, you know, like really things can get expensive quickly. So my husband and I love the porcelain. We have a lot of like the teacups and saucers because they're really beautiful. So this will be going on my vanity to put all my rings and stuff in, which I wanted the silver over the gold because most of my jewelry is white gold or platinum or sterling silver for some reason, even though I really like gold hardware. So weird combination of things, but very excited for this piece, which definitely want to make sure to leave to the side so I can go put it on my vanity. Okay, next up is something that actually goes, you'll see, goes together. So I did buy like the full kit, which may give it away, and then I just bought a strap. So I'm not sure which is which. We'll just open one. So I bought this when I was newly pregnant, though I will say at 6.5 months, I still don't really look pregnant, which is good and bad. I guess good because it allows me to still wear all my old clothing, though pants are getting tight, but bad because I really want to take announcement photos, and I still don't really look pregnant. I kind of just look like I ate a big burrito. So we're going to take them anyway in less than a month, actually like 2 weeks now, and it'll be what it'll be, sort of thing. So this is actually the kit, so I'm glad I opened this one, which this will give it away because I say kit, and then you'll see the strap. So this is the strap in the black Swift leather, and then the interior, because this is adjustable, is the Epsom in gold. And I believe I got this in 85, which sounds right. I like to buy 85 belts, though sometimes I'll buy an 80, because I can wear it. I have like wider hips, so it allows me to wear it on my hips, and if I get a couple more holes put in it, I can wear it more high-waisted, so that's like my preference on that. And then the buckle I chose is a little different. I did not go with the classic H buckle. I do have a vintager, that's not a word, an older style of the H buckle, but I don't find myself wearing it a lot because it just doesn't really work with a lot of my outfits. So I got this, which is more of the horse bit. I think they call this the Gemma buckle, which I really love, and this is in just plain gold. I was between the gold and the rose gold, and I liked the gold a little better. I thought it went better with the colors than the rose gold, and now I have, but did not have at the time, the Kelly belt with the rose gold hardware. So it's nice to have variety for sure. So I bought that as, you know, the whole enchilada, you know, with the full kit with the buckle and the strap. So you cannot buy, I mean, occasionally they'll let people, if you have a good enough relationship with your sales associate, buy just the buckle. But normally that they won't let you just buy the buckle. They need you to buy the kit. But then you can buy as many straps as you want to go with it. So that's what this is. I wanted another colorway. So both colorways are very neutral, but will allow me to, you know, have a lot of variety, which is really nice. So this is the Swift. It is not, I want to call it navy, but that's not what they call it. It's a, I want to say marine. Let me look, I can look at the receipt. And then this is Nata, in Epsom on the inside. And I know that the Nata is I'm going to have to be careful with what color jeans I wear it with if I'm wearing that side on the inside, because I'm wearing the blue on the outside. But I figured with Epsom, at least we're getting a little bit more durable than the Swift, that is the blue color. And I really liked, I will probably be wearing that mainly with the Nata side out, because I really love that color with the gold with blue jeans. So let me confirm for you guys what color that was. And that was the Gamma, not the Gemma, for the buckle. Sorry about that, guys. It is the, oh, they call it blue navy. So it wasn't wrong. And then technically that color was not Nata, it was cray. I get them confused. But they are very, very similar. So, and without further ado, we are on the last piece. I feel like I've got ribbon everywhere out of the giant bag. And like I said, I have used this. You'll have seen pictures of it. So it is in this box. It is a bag. It's not a quota bag. Though this definitely is like the same size as my Birkin 30 boxes. I just love opening these. Like, even when I'm opening a bag that I've used like a billion times, like nothing makes me happier. And it is this mini garden party, or the Garden Party 30 in Nagonda, I think is how you say it, leather. It's like country leather, in this beautiful orange color, which is the Hermes orange color. It is showing up a little like kind of red orange on the camera, but let me get you guys the exact color it is, so I can tell you. It is not, oh, it is Capucine. So it is a really beautiful color, and it is with palladium hardware. I have used this bag before. I just love these bags. They're so versatile, and this size is so cute. I know it's a 30, which makes it the same size as a Birkin 30, but it seems so much smaller than my Birkin 30s, and I just love this burst of colors. So I was offered 3 other bags at the San Diego store when I picked up this one. So I offered another Garden Party 30 in Rouge Ash, which is the dark red color, which I do have in some other bags, which is why I did not want it. Then I was offered the Cargo Picotin in the small size. Why am I forgetting that? What size that is? The 22, you know, the smaller size of the Picotin in Nata. I did not like that because I did not like the canvas. And then I was also offered the same size Picotin in a green color. I cannot remember the exact green, but I could only buy one, only purchase one, because I did ask if I could get 2. And my little sister was with me, and we agreed that this was just the cutest and the best. And it was such a great summer bag, which is why I used it like as soon as I bought it, which is why you guys saw it on Instagram. But such a cute color. Absolutely love this. Very excited. I love the Garden Party. I think it's a great bag. I know it's very underrated, but it is very hard right now to get any mini size bag, even the Garden Party 30. So that made me happy to come across that, and my sales associate, who's no longer my sales associate, knew that's what I wanted. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up down below and to hit the notification bell and the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.